Fun facts about birds. Did you know that bird evolved from dinosaur? The tale of the disappearance of dinosaurs is an interesting and mysterious one. However, what they left behind is even more interesting. Birds evolved from a group of dinosaurs called theropods. This group is the same one that the famous Tyrannosaurus rex belonged to. The earliest known bird is the Archaeopteryx, which lived around 150 million years ago in the Jurassic period. They looked like small feathered dinosaurs. They even had teeth. However, scientists believe these birds lost all their teeth and evolved beaks.
Hello mga idol! Huwag ninyong kakalimutang i-like ang video na ito at mag-comment na din po kayo kung anong inyong natutunan. I-share din natin para malaman ng iba. Follow me for more videos.